I'm gonna try out the Kiss Falscara on over 40 eyes. Let's see how this goes. Hey mascara wearers, do you think this is gonna work? I don't know, I have pretty thin eyelashes. I have very light colored eyelashes, and I'm horrible at putting fake eyelashes on. I literally cannot do it. You could stand over me and give me every single instruction in the world, and I wouldn't be able to do that. This is supposed to be easy. We're gonna brush a light coat of the bond onto the natural lashes, and a little goes a long way. Then we're gonna take these wispy lashes, just a little tiny one, and we're gonna put them on the middle outer corner. That's a lot. It's gonna be a lot of work. Won't know until we try. Now I don't have mascara on, and I know that I'm supposed to put mascara on when I'm doing false lashes, but do I need it with this? I really don't know. It doesn't say. It's not one of the pro tips. I'm guessing no. We're gonna start with the Bond side.
Bond. James Bond.
Sorry, I had to do it. That's great. I already messed up my makeup, so that's fantastic. Wait a minute. Am I doing this right? I feel like this can't be right. Yeah, this says a whole coat, but it says a little goes a long way. I feel like it really needs to be right underneath there, because otherwise the lashes will be mid-length. I've done magnetic lashes and it is hard. I'm hoping these are easier. We ready for this? Oh, it's sticking to the... What now? Say what now? Are you serious? What? Are you serious? Do these look okay? Let's try another one. I tore one of the lashes off. I'm really, really good at this. Oh, man. Oh, I didn't just tear one off. Look how many I tore off. Oh, that's sad. That's really sad. I'm gonna not use that one because that's too many. Wow. Is there a trick to getting them off here so you don't do that? Yes, there is. Why didn't anyone tell me that? No hair is lost. Oh, I don't think I'm holding it right. Then that's upside down. That's not right either. Yeah, this is it. This is it. This is it. Yeah, I think that's it. I poked myself in the eye, but are you kidding me? Is this right? Is this right? I feel like this can't be right. Does it look like it's good to you as it looks to me in the mirror? Let's see. It looks normal. I am excited, but I don't think I have to be doing something wrong. This cannot be this easy. Okay. This way. Right? Yeah. I got it. It's quicker every time. Nope. Since I almost poked myself in the eye last time, now I'm scared of poking myself in the eye again. Oh yeah. Oh man. I can see them. I gotta close my eyes for a minute because my eyes are watering and I don't know if it's something I'm doing or not. I can see them, so this can't be right. I didn't like them on top, under. Let's try on top. Let's try this, particularly this one. But I feel like I can feel all of them. It's hard to get it on there on top. It needs more magnet stuff. I think that's what it is. Let's put some more magnet stuff on the top this time. Okay, that's not working. Okay, wait a second. That's not bad. I think you could probably see that I'm wearing fake lashes, but not bad. I'm gonna do this eye, but I'm gonna do it all on top this time because I can't help but wonder if it'd be better that way. I'm gonna read the instructions again. That's what I'm gonna do. Definitely says underneath, and that makes me think, well, underneath, right? But I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong, but this time, let's do on top. I think that might work better. I forgot to take this one off. It's not working. It's not as easy as it looks. It really, really isn't. I'm gonna try more mascara because I felt like I didn't have enough. All right, we got this. This needs to be plastic. Do I have a plastic one? That is not good at all. It's just hanging on there. Oh yeah, it's just coming right back off. What am I doing wrong on this side? I guess it has to go under. Let me just try some under because going on the top is definitely not working. I really thought this might work. I was really excited. Oh, we're gonna do it under this time. No, that didn't work either. I don't know what I'm doing different this time, but it is not working. Boo! Boo, boo, boo. Yeah, it's not working. If I filmed a video with just this one eye, do you think anyone would notice? I think I may. But I can barely see out of this eye, so I really feel like I should probably wash my makeup off and start fresh. Well, this is a bust. I can't see now. I'm blinded. Let's take these off. Let's see how easily they come off. Very easily so far. these stuck together. But they came off pretty easily. Why was one eye easier than the other? I don't know. Let's see how hard this is to take off the actual mascara part. Okay. Not bad. It's not bad. Guess I was wrong. Let's try the other eye too. It doesn't come off easily. That should be noted that this is more than I normally do to take my mascara off in the evenings. That's another drawback. My midnight thoughts. Good question. I think I'm going to keep trying on these. I think these are my best bet so far. Out of everything I've tried, this has been the most successful. I got one eye. That's one eye more than I've ever gotten and done good with. If you're already good at applying lashes, you don't really need these, obviously. This is for people like me who don't know how to do them. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. I give this a 5. I don't hate it. I wish I'd gotten it free. Can I just have fake lashes like the rest of the world? There are 2 things I can still try. I can try the eyeliner and these. I want a thumbs up if you want me to do that. I know it's been done to death, but everyone can do it. Is it worth your time? Let me know if that's something you're interested in. The other thing is we could try giving myself lash extensions at home. Should I try that? Be kind and rewind. We're gonna brush a light coat of the Bond onto our we're gonna coat. All right, step 1, done. This is, I've done magnetic lash, I've done magnetic. Really? Can't I just have fake lashes?